Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako si Aris Bagtas, isang visual artist na taga Bulacan. Nakatulong sa akin ang Helping Hands nung ako ay magkasakit. Na ospital ako mga 7 days o isang linggo. Mahirap magkasakit. Mauubusan ka. Ospital at gamot. Yun nga ay sa pamamagitan ng Helping Hands, nalaman namin na ito ay tumutulong para sa mga artist. Sa kadahilan ng si Dale Bagtas na aking pangalan na anak ay nakasama dito at naging bahagi ng mga exhibition na nagiging gabay at nagiging katulong para sa pagpapaunlad ng sining at pagtulong sa nangangailangan tulad kong mga nagkakasakit na artist. Para sa mga artist na nagkakasakit din, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa dahil nandiyan yung Helping Hands para gumabay at tumulong sa inyo. I have been touched by Helping Hands Spirit of Care and Healing. Salamat po, Helping Hands Organization. Mabuhay po kayo.
Hello, ako si RC Camarines, isang visual artist. Anak ako ni Art Camarines, isang visual artist din na beneficiary ng Visual Art Helping Hands Foundation. Paano ako natulungan ng Visual Art Helping Hands Foundation? Nakatulong ng malaki sa amin yung Visual Art Helping Hands Foundation noong na-stroke si Papa last April 28, 2025. And we admitted sa Chinese General Hospital. At alam naman natin na hindi ganun ka mura ma-admit sa Chinese General Hospital since ito ay isang private hospital. So, lumaki yung expenses namin at nakatulong yung foundation na ito, itong Visual Art Helping Hand sa amin para makover yung aming hospital bills, yung mga medicine ni Papa, yung mga laboratories na niya ni-undergo, yung mga NGT food niya. At dahil doon, nakakalabas kami after 1 month. At even sa rehabilitation ni Papa, nakatulong ito para sa pagpapatherapy at pagbili ng mga medical equipment na kailangan ni Papa para sa patuloy na rehabilitation. Malaking tulong itong ginagawa ng Visual Arts Foundation sa visual arts community at sa mga individual na artists. Kasi lalo na kung ikay hindi naman established na artist at wala kang gaanong ipon, alam mong may malalapitan ka na ganitong foundation kasi kinikater talaga nila specifically yung mga artista ng bayan o yung mga visual artists. Bibihira lang yung mga ganitong klase ng foundation gaya ng Visual Art Helping Hands na tumutulong sa mga alagad ng sining, lalo na yung community ng artist sa Pilipinas ay hindi naman ganun karami. Kaya nakakatuwa na pinagtuunan nila tayo ng pansin para piliin na tulungan. Kaya kung tayo may kakayahan tayo na mag-donate o tumulong sa pamamagitan ng pagbili sa mga artwork na naka-exhibit under fundraising ng Visual Art Helping Hands ay gawin natin kasi gaya ng tatay ko na natulungan at sa iba pang mga visual artists na natulungan ay napalaking tulong nito para sa kanila lalo na sa medical expenses. Kaya sana makatulong tayo. Kaya maraming salamat sa Visual Art Helping Hands Foundation. I can say literally na I have been touched by Helping Hands, Spirit of Care and Healing. Thank you so much po.
Hi! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. I'm Candy Cometa. I was a part-time employee of the Metro Gallery here in Cebu back in early 2000s. And I'm deeply grateful to my cousin Chiti Cometa and to Dino Gabito for connecting me to Sir Daniel and the Visual Arts Helping Hands Foundation. Actually, the foundation had played a crucial role in my recovery during a health crisis in December 2022 when I was faced with multiple medical issues. And their timely support for both financial and emotional had really made a huge difference in my life. And I hope that the foundation continues its mission of supporting not just the artists but also those who are working behind the scenes in the art community. because your health truly matters, especially in tough times like illnesses and natural disasters. Thank you again, Sir Daniel, the board, Ma'am Cora, and those who are supporting the foundation. And on behalf of my family, maraming salamat po for choosing me as one of your recipients. May we all stay healthy. And I just want to add that I have been touched by the helping hands, spirit of care and healing.
Ako si Cesar de los Reyes, 73 years old, artist. Noong 2023, ako ay nadala sa ospital dahil sa sakit na COPD. At mula noon, nagpabalik-balik na ako sa ospital dahil sa paulit-ulit na atake ng aking sakit. Noong 2024, sa pamamagitan ni Elmer Borlongan, ako ay natulungan ng Helping Hands para sa pinansyal na dagdag na pinansyal pambili ng gamot at supply ng oxygen. Hindi lahat ng artist ay may pera pambili ng pampagamot. Ang iba halos hindi makabenta. Ang iba naman ay hirap talaga sa pagbenta. Kaya ang ganitong klase ng suporta, pinansyal, ay napakahalaga para sa aming mga artist na hindi kumikita sa gawa ng mga artist, lalo na ako na isang organizer. Hindi ako makabenta ng aking trabaho dahil ang aking trabaho ay hindi worth na pang collector's item. Sana para doon sa mga artist na may pangalan at may kakayanang mag-donate ng kanilang mga artworks, ay malaking tulong ito para sa mga katulad nating mga artist na hindi palaging may pambili o pang-pa-hospital. I have been touched by Helping Hands, spirit of care and healing. Maraming salamat.
Hello, I'm Yas Doctor, daughter of visual artist Edgar Doctor, a beneficiary of Visual Arts Helping Hands Foundation. My father was admitted in the hospital on February 2024 due to stroke and was later discharged on September the same year. The transition from hospital setting to home care was a very challenging time as there were a lot of troubleshooting and adjustments made in order to provide our father what he needed at the start of his recovery at home. It was through a message from Mr. Berlongan that we were made aware of VA HHFI and its vision. Through its help, our transition towards home care was made easier. We know that it takes a village to meet the demands of home care, and to have people from the arts community come up with an initiative that helps fellow artists in need is such a beautiful and noble cause. We hope your support on this fundraising heals in every way, from the artworks that nourish the soul and the healing that comes from helping others. My father and our family have been touched by Helping Hands' spirit of care and healing. Thank you!
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Yasmin Almonte, isang visual artist. Napakalaking bagay po ang naitulong sa akin ng Helping Hands kasi napakahirap po ng aking naging operasyon. Actually, it was my 12th operation and tinanggalan po ako ng parte ng hita ko at itinanim dito sa aking panga dahil sa cancer. Napakalaki po ng ginastos ng aking pamilya sa naging operasyon ko. At talaga namang napakalaki rin tulong para medyo maalwalan ang sitwasyon namin at nairaos ang aking kaso sa ospital. Malaking tulong ang Helping Hands sa mga katulad kong artist kasi sa totoo naman, hindi naman palaging nakakabenta ang mga artist ng paintings o kaya sculptures. Yung mga art pieces nila. Kasi usually we artists, we paint from our hearts. We express how we feel. And a lot of times, hindi nabibili ang ating mga artwork. May mga nabibili pero hindi naman karamihan sa atin. It's not enough to sustain us. Lalo na sa mga oras na may mga malaking pangangailangan tulad ng sakit. Kaya napakalaking tulong ng Helping Hands sa mga artists na umadaan sa ganitong sitwasyon. Malaking tulong din yung mga taong gustong magbigay o from their hearts, no? Kasi talaga namang malaki ang pangailangan ng mga artists na nagkakaroon ng problema, lalo na sa mga sakit. From my heart, I would really love to express my gratitude to Helping Hands, and I have been really touched by Helping Hands' spirit of caring and healing. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Helping Hands.
Hi, my name is Femi Cachola and I make hand-painted gold finish ceramics which I call potheads. Isa ako sa mga natulungan ng Helping Hands. I found out that I had a brain tumor. It was the size of a kiat-kiat fruit. It's a meningioma and it has to be removed as soon as possible through brain surgery. So I was confined in a hospital. While still confined, of course, we think about our large hospital bill because we're aware that this is something major, the procedures that I went through. The surgery was very successful. All of the tumor was removed. I found out about Helping Hands when I was still in the hospital recovering from my brain surgery. Parang talagang hulog ng langit. Mararamdaman mo na God is really in control of everything. He was sending this and that to help me. And one of those is Helping Hands, really. So when we found out about Helping Hands, we immediately filled out the application form, submitted the requirements, and prayed for it, of course. Malaking tulong po yung na-receive ko na grant from Helping Hands. It has helped ease some of the financial burdens from my brain surgery and rehabilitation. I'm forever grateful po. Thank you so much. And this inspires me also to help others and share my blessings. This kind of support from Helping Hands is very important to artists like me, not only because it helps us lighten our financial burden, but most importantly, it gives us hope to continue our craft and share our art, to continue our work. May kakampi ka, may kaagapay ka sa iyong journey, sa iyong artist journey. Sabi nga nila, the bravest thing you could do is ask for help. It's brave because that means you're not giving up. So I'm not giving up on my art because I was able to ask help and I was helped by Helping Hands. If you have the means, I hope you'll consider helping the Helping Hands because they really help a lot of people. They save lives and they make our world a better place to live in. I have been touched by Helping Hands spirit of care and healing. Thank you.
Hello, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Fernando Sena, isa pong pintor. At ako po ay natutuwa sa kagandahang loob ng Helping Hands Foundation dahil sa kanilang pagtulong sa akin noon ako po ay nagkaroon ng sakit sa lungs. Nangyari po noong 2023, December, talagang nagkaroon na po ako ng nervous nyon. Dahil sa sakit ko, ubo ako ng ubo hanggang sa nagpa-x-ray po ako at lumabas sa x-ray na meron po ako sakit sa lungs. Sa totoo lang po, dahil sa ako po'y nawalan ng pag-asa, natakot po ako masyado, nagkaroon po ako ng nervous. Yung mga ATM cards ko, binigay ko na po sa mga anak ko. Sabi ko sa kanila na lang kasi natakot na po ako. Sabi ko sa inyo na lang yan, kung magkano man ang laman yan. Ganun pa man, biglang pumasok sa isip ko si Elmer Burlongan. Ibinalita ko po kay Elmer yung tungkol sa aking kalagayan at sinabi niya meron silang foundation na yung nga pong Helping Hands. Kamadalit sabi, ang Helping Hands Foundation ay tinulungan po ko sa medication, sa pagpapagamot. Pagbili ng mga gamot sa doktor. At dahil doon ay sa loob ng 6 na buwan, uminom po ako ng gamot. At ang ginamit ko po ay yung tulong na binigay ng Helping Hands Foundation. So ako po ay taos puso nagpapasalamat dahil nabigyan ako ng panibagong pag-asa na ipagpatuloy yung aking ginagawa para sa ating kabataan. Kaya po nagpapasalamat po ako sa Board of Trustees ng Helping Hands Foundation. Lalong-lalo na po sa katauhan ni Master Daniel de la Cruz at ni Dr. Ruben Guanang at yung pong iba na bumubuo ng foundation katulad ni Attorney Tonico Manahan, Mike Tomacruz, Jonathan Keng, Reggie Yuson, Ricky Lopa, Manny Garibay, Elmer Borlongan, at Mr. Steve Lim. Kaya bilang pangwakas, naniniwala po ko na dapat suportahan natin ang Helping Hands Foundation sapagkat malaki ang may tutulong nito para sa ating mga artists na nagkakaroon ng sakit o karamdaman na nagiging sagabal sa kanilang paglikha ng mga magandang obra na kanilang sining. At ako po'y nananawagan, umaapila sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon na ipagpatuloy po ninyo ang pagsuporta at pagtulong sa Helping Hands sapagkat malaki ang may tutulong nito hindi lamang sa ating mga artists kundi sa ating mamamayan. So, lastly, ay gusto kong sabihin na wala yung gusto kong sabihin na truly I am deeply touched by the Helping Hands Foundation spirit of care and healing. So, sana patnubayan tayo ng Diyos sa ating mga gawain. Mabuhay po ang Helping Hands Foundation. Thank you very much po.
Hi, my name is Guinevere De Sena, a full-time artist from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Just this morning, I had my third cycle of chemo. As you can see, I'm running out of good veins on my left hand because I'm trying to avoid poking needles on my right so I could still continue painting in my studio. I was literally saved by Helping Hands. I learned about it from very good friends who are also artists, such as Sir Charlie Ko, Orange Team, and also Don Kuswang Ko, Nonoy Israel, of course, Mr. Elmer Borlangan. Thank you so much for all of you. This is such a big help for artists like me, a single mom, and I even had to give up my part-time job as a teacher because I couldn't handle it physically anymore. And through Helping Hands, I'm able to continue. The burden was taken off my head and my heart, and I feel so much better. The systematic chemotherapy is working well for me, and I'm following my doctor's instructions. And please, for all of you who are thinking of helping this very, very important initiative, please find it in your heart to think of artists as this little yet connected cellular part of culture, and we need to keep them alive. And I'm very thankful that I have a chance to reflect on my art, and right now I'm more positive than what I was ever before I was diagnosed. I was recently diagnosed, by the way, with stage 4 colorectal cancer. Please don't forget to support artists in giving them this very, very needed health care that will not only help them take the load off their shoulders to take care of themselves, but also it sends a message to our entire community in Philippines that we treasure artists, we treasure culture, and we have this sense of empathy to know that creativity matters and the heart matters so much. Please support Helping Hands. Thank you so much to everyone.
Hi, magandang tanghali. It's noon here. Okay, to answer the questions for not really questions, to share my experience with Helping Hands. Uh, Really big help and support that I got from Helping Hands at that time of like really need. Kailangan talaga ng tulong. Uh, Again, maraming salamat. Kahit paulit-ulit ako magpasalamat, parang feeling ko kulang pa din. Of course, salamat specifically yung nakausap ko directly, of course, si Ling. Hello, Ling. Si Miss Cora, and then si Reg. I was able to have conversations with them when at the time of my need. So why do I feel this is important. Of course, it's very important. Kasi one, the medical issue that I went through, it was life or death, life and death. Malaki yung support kasi na hindi ko na po problemahin yung part na yan kasi I really don't know where to get the rest of the money to pay the surgery. To pay for the surgery. Of course, it's calming. And nakaka-secure yung yung meron tumutulong, meron support. And it's even more important kasi the support is coming from artists, coming from kapwa mo artist. So alam mo, nararamdaman mo na nararamdaman mo at alam mo na kung ano yung needs ng isang artist kasi I think a lot of artists are not really employed regularly, and so ayun nga, kailangan talaga ng support. I'm employed but I still needed the support of helping hands kasi kulang. It's I think no one is ever ready, especially dito sa atin, like financially, pag ganitong mga life events. The third question, I consider, of course, I'll be asking support from whoever is supporting Helping Hands. First, again, thank you for your support. And second, I wish more people will be helping kasi I think a lot of artists need help pagdating na sa health issues, especially if not all artists can earn from their art, and hence the much needed support. I think ayan lang yung sasabihin ko. Sana hindi ako nagkalat. So I've been touched by Helping Hands spirit of care and healing. Sana lang hindi na maulit kasi yung sakit ng operation ko. It's like and it became more easier to bear because of your support. So, ayun. Maraming salamat.
Hi, I'm Jeff Cabrera. I am deeply grateful to the Helping Hand Foundation for the support you extended during my time of need. Your help in my medical expenses has made a big difference, and I truly appreciate your kindness and generosity. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Hello po, ako po si Jerry Bukat, isa po sa mga niyakap ng Helping Hands Art Foundation. Ang Helping Hands po ay higit pa sa isang organisasyon. Ito ay isang simbolo ng pag-asa at pagkakaisa, ang nagbigay sa akin ng hindi lamang physical na tulong, kundi pati na rin emosyonal na suporta. Ang kanilang pagmamalasakit sa bawat pasyente ay nagpapakita ng tunay na diwa ng pag-asa at pagkakaisa. Ang pagsuporta para sa mga artist at individual na may mga problema sa kalusugan ay napakahalaga. Hindi lamang ito tungkol sa pagtulong sa isang tao, kundi pati na rin sa pagbibigay ng inspirasyon at pag-asa. Ang Helping Hands ay nagpapatunay na kahit sa mga pinakamahirap na panahon, mayroong mga taong handang tumulong at magmahal sa kapwa. Ang pagtulong ay isang kolektibong responsibilidad. Lahat po tayo ay may kakayahang magbigay ng tulong kahit sa simpleng paraan lamang. Sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan, mas mapapalakas natin ang ating komunidad ng sama-sama. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Helping Hands, taos-pusong pasasalamat po. Sir Iske, Doc Steve, simula pa lang ng aking laban sa sakit na ito. Salamat sa lahat-lahat at sa lahat po ng bumubuo. Mabuhay po kayo and more powers po.
Pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po pala si Joey Cubcobo, isa pong visual artist at ang aking may bahay.
Ella Cubcobo po. Ako po ay mayroong type 2 diabetes. Malaki pong tulong ang medical assistance from Helping Hands Foundation dahil ako po ay nakakainom na po ng regular ng aking gamot at na-maintain ko na rin po ang aking sugar level sa awa po ng Diyos.
As a father of 5 children, napakalaking tulong po ito para sa amin financially.
Nawa po'y marami po kayong matulungan ng mga artist.
And God will return it unto you in many folds because your labor is not in vain in the Lord.
Muli, maraming salamat po, Sir Daniel de la Cruz, President of Helping Hands Foundation.
At kay Doc Joven Cuanang at sa lahat ng mga artists at mga doktor na patuloy na sumusuporta sa fundasyong na ito. God bless you all.
And God bless you all real good.
Hello everyone. My name is John Paul Duray, a Filipino contemporary artist. One of the many people that's been touched by Helping Hands' spirit of care and healing. Last year, I was diagnosed with a medical illness that required me to go under emergency procedures. I posted about it on social media, trying to sell my works to raise funds. And on the same day, I received a message from Kuya Daniel de la Cruz telling me about the supplementary financial support that I can get from them. He endorsed me to Miss Cora Abad, the kind lady who assisted me with my application. And days after sending her some of the important requirements, because I'm still at the hospital, I received a certain amount which I added to use in paying my hospital bills and also my post-recovery needs. I believe that support like this is very important to the art community, especially to us artists, because most of us don't really have life and health insurances. And we're still struggling trying to build our careers. Thank you so much to Visual Arts Helping Hands Foundation, to Kuya Daniel de la Cruz, Escola Abad, for helping me get through that situation, get through that dark time in my life. And also, I would like to thank Dr. Joven Cuanang for being there with me, trying to comfort me, giving me calls, and assuring me that I will be okay. I would like to invite everyone to support this initiative from Visual Arts Helping Hands Foundation. It's now their 4th fundraising exhibit, and I hope they get the support that they give us artists. They really deserve it. Once again, I am John Paul Duray. Thank you to everyone that is part of the Visual Arts Helping Hands Foundation. I am now healed, and more power to all of you. Thank you.
Ako po si Kenneth Tanyera, and also known as Kevin Pablo bilang artist. And I was diagnosed with colorectal cancer stage 3B last February, end of February. And nung nangyari siya, agad talaga kaming sumugod sa pinakamalapit, pinaka-effective na hospital na pwede namin lapitan to seek treatment agad. And nung napabalita namin siya sa mga friends namin and sa mga colleagues ko na may ganitong akong klaseng case, and nagbala kasi akong magbenta ng mga previous na pieces ko, mga previous kong paintings, 2024 paintings ko, and na doon nalaman ng linangan or ni Ma'am Ali Garibay na may ganito kong sakit. And yun, agad, sobrang thankful ako kasi agad-agad siyang lumapit sa akin, pati si Sir Mike Delmo, yung mag-asawa, and the whole linangan art residency family of mine, na tutulungan nila ako sa lahat ng makakaya nila, and nilapit nila kami sa inyo, sa Helping Hands. And sobrang natuwa ako na may gantong klaseng institution pala na handa at sobrang willing na tumulong sa mga kagaya ko na nagsisik ng financial assistance pagdating sa mga gantong klaseng cases, especially sa sakit. And sobrang natuwa kami na hindi kami nahirapan kasi ang dami namin sobrang nasikaso, sobrang nahirapan kami, stressed out kami sa nangyayari. Sobrang nakatulong sa amin kung paano kami hinandle ng linangan at residency at ng Helping Hands na inasikaso nila kami fully without any questions, lalo na si Ma'am Cora, especially Ma'am Cora, and sobrang sobrang gaan kausap. Siya yung lalapit sa inyo para i-remind sa inyo yung mga requirements mo, ito yung mga kailangan nyo, papalalanan ka, prayers, lahat. Sobrang nakakagaan ng loob si Ma'am Cora, and yung buong process ng pagtulong sa amin ng Helping Hands. Ayun, actually, I had my last chemo session, my 6th chemo session last week. And yeah, thankfully, lahat naging smooth through the help of Helping Hands, especially kasi kayo yung kauna-unahang lumapit sa amin na nagbigay ng gato kalaking assistance sa amin. Kaya siya mismo nag-boost sa amin na magtuloy-tuloy ng treatment. Kaya ayun, nakatawid kami dahil sa inyo. At dahil din sa mga taong nagmamahal sa amin. Kaya sobrang thankful kami. And ayun, wala akong ibang masabi kundi sobrang thankful lang talaga kami kasi actually kung hindi dahil sa tulad nyo na naglo-look out sa aming mga artists, especially sa akin kasi hindi pa naman ako ganun ka full-time kasi I actually have a full-time job, tapos bilang artist is on the side, and ayun, striving din ako maging full-time, and despite na ganun yung background ko, you still lend a hand sa akin para mapapatuloy ko yung ginagawa ko bilang artist. And sobrang laking boost nun sa akin. Hindi lang sa moral ko, kundi sa yung emotional and physical connections ko bilang artist. Sobrang nagbubush siya ng ego ko. And ayun. And kung magkaroon man ako ng chance in the future na sobrang maging tool din katulad ng Helping Hands, sana makahanap ako ng ibang way para makaambag or makapag-lend ng kahit ng way para makatulong pa din dito sa institution na to, para mas makatulong pa tayo sa ibang mas nangangailangan, especially sa mga artists na striving artists na bupursige. And ayun, thank you so much sa binigay niyong sa akin, and sobrang wala akong masabi kundi dahil sa inyo, you've given me, you've already given me my second life, and sobrang thankful kami dahil doon. Thank you so much.
Nung time na nagkaroon ako ng CKD stage 5, chronic kidney disease, sobrang laking tulong sa akin ng Helping Hands. Nung na-confine ako sa ospital, hanggang sa na kidney transplant ako, nakasupport sila. And after ng kidney transplant ko, lumapit ulit ako sa Helping Hands. Tumulong sila para sa mga maintenance meds ko. Sobrang laking tulong ng Helping Hands sa mga artist. Dahil karamihan sa mga artist, walang health insurance, self-employed. Kapag nagkasakit ang isang artist, ang hirap lumaban, lalo na kung walang support. Sa mga artist na gustong tumulong sa kapwa artist natin, andyan ang Helping Hands Foundation. Pwede nating lapitan para kapag gusto natin mag-share ng mga works natin. Pag pinagsama-sama, ang daming matutulungan na artist na nangangailangan ng tulong. Isa na ako sa natulungan ng Helping Hands. I have touched by Helping Hands, spirit of care and healing.
Hi there. Good evening. My name is Sim Pio. I'm an artist. I'm a painter, and just recently, at the end of that last year, December 28th, I was um, diagnosed with uh, a massive um, uh, amount of gallbladder stones in my gallbladder, and it ruptured, and I got sepsis. I underwent sepsis because of it, and then in December 28th, um, uh, I was operated on, and sad to say that my condition at that time worsened because it really spread down my intestine. So I was very down. I didn't know how I was going to raise 300,000 plus hospitalization. And I was hospitalized at the Mount Samat Medical Center. And I really didn't know how to go about, and I was afraid that I would be able to pay. So, and with the help of Kuya Elmer Balongan and helping hands from Miss Cora and several other artists, Sir also. I was able to pay my bill, and I'm so grateful for this because and it was a very dark time for me, and Helping Hands pulled me out of the darkness. And I really feel that this kind of volunteerism and support groups like this, the Helping Hand, is so important for artists like me who are underprivileged and always who are in bad health. So I don't know what else what to say. But thank you so much to Helping Hands, and just like to share it with others, other artists, or other people who like to want to consider helping out. To please join the group and um, add to enrich the members, enrich the help, and to continue to enhance the group so we can have more artists. I have been touched so much by Helping Hands and having a spirit of care and healing. So thank you so much, everyone. God bless and be safe.
Hi, hello to all my friends in Helping Hands. My name is Para Valencia. I am one of the many beneficiaries of Helping Hands. I was a former creative director for a gallery based in Mandaluyong, and prior to that, I worked with another gallery in Makati, and my last gallery work was in 2024, just a month before I went into treatment for cancer. It was a gallery in Dumaguete. Anyway, I am here to express my heartfelt thanks to all the members and board of directors of Helping Hands. Last year, I was diagnosed with stage 4B cancer, oral cancer that metastasized to my neck. Being a freelancer, a gallery worker as well, I was faced with a big challenge of having to go through all that unimaginable trouble, having to go into treatment immediately. So since I had to go into surgery right away, and I told about some of my friends in the art circle about what I've been going through. One of my friends, mentioned Helping Hands, and that's where it all started, how you guys helped me. Fast forward to today, because of Helping Hands' amazing help, I was able to go through my treatment plan. I went through radiation and chemotherapy. I also had my surgery, and right now I am still thriving, and I feel better every day. And for now, my doctor said, for now, that's the important thing, that I am cancer free. So this would be possible if not for you guys. I want you to know that what you have been pouring into the foundation is not just benefiting a number of persons. It is actually impacting our dreams to continue working for the arts, especially in your country. I was supposed to go back to artwork, gallery work in a few months, but I had to go through a series of tests again. But I am very faithful and hopeful and positive that I'm gonna be back soon, because my passion lies in having to work with the most talented and amazing people in the arts. I want to nurture the next generation of artists with, what I can do for them in terms of helping them out, in fleshing out their ideas. And basically, I hope that my testimony will serve as an inspiration to all the cancer patients out there and to all the beneficiaries of Helping Hands, that we can all still push through. And thank you so much. I mean, to all the board members, I can never thank you enough for helping me, arrive to this day. Thank you very much.